Hello everyone and welcome to another interesting webinar with APPSeCONNECT. In today's digital age, businesses need efficient and streamlined processes to thrive. Organizations are employing disruptive methods and various systems to excel in their vertical. In today's webinar, we'll be talking about organizations using NetSuite ERP and Shopify e-commerce and how integrating these two systems can prove to be beneficial for them. The webinar will showcase how the integration between NetSuite and Shopify provides a holistic approach to data integration and automation and combines the power of an ERP with the flexibility of an e-commerce platform for any business. In store, we also have an interesting story of how a North American footwear retailer increased their online sales and revolutionized their order management through efficient ERP and e-commerce integration. But first, I believe introductions are in order. Welcome again. I am Akash Apurva, product marketer at APPSeCONNECT, and I'm really excited to be presenting this webinar today. With me, I have Shubhajit, automation expert at APPSeCONNECT, and I'm glad he could take his time out for us today. Welcome, Shubhajit.
Thank you, Akash. Hello, everyone.
So before we begin, let me first walk you through the scope of today's webinar. As I already mentioned, we'll be talking about a footwear retailer who increased their sales and what goes into making an online store. We will also discuss some of the operational challenges associated with high order volumes and what organizations can do about it. The webinar will give you an introduction to APPSeCONNECT and its pre-built integration connectors and showcase how automating crucial processes between your ERP and e-commerce platforms can help you reduce your time to market. Shubhajit will also present a live demo of NetSuite and Shopify integration, and we'll discuss the learnings and best practices associated with it, followed by an amazing Q&A session. So let's get ready to dive in. As I mentioned, we'll be talking about a retailer who saw growth and had the foresight and learnings to implement a pre-configured Shopify NetSuite connector to scale their business. Shubhajit will later go deep into the business case, but before that, let me talk about the platforms the organization was using, NetSuite and Shopify. NetSuite ERP is a comprehensive cloud-based solution that empowers businesses with the tools for finance, inventory management, order fulfillment, and much more. Boasting an impressive customer base of over 40,000 companies worldwide, spanning across industries such as retail, manufacturing, wholesale, distribution, and professional services. NetSuite is a popular cloud ERP solution for businesses of any size and industry. It provides a suite of functionalities, including financial management, supply chain management, order management, and a CRM. Shopify, on the other hand, is a leading e-commerce platform that allows businesses to create, customize, and manage their online stores with ease. With its user-friendly interface and a wide range of features, Shopify has become a preferred choice for entrepreneurs and established brands alike. With over 1.7 million businesses worldwide using Shopify, the e-commerce platform has proven to be a game changer for entrepreneurs and retailers. Shopify offers extensive customization options and powerful tools to help organizations succeed in the digital marketplace. With both the systems in place, integration can never be far behind. For the business case now, I'll hand over the podium to Shubhajit. Here you go, Shubhajit.
Thanks again, Akash. I'm really very excited to be a part of this discussion today. We have years of experience in optimizing business processes, but instead of going into deep technical discussion, I'd like to begin with the success story of the North American footwear retail business with you guys. So the company was founded back in 2015. They have community-driven vision to provide curated, high quality and affordable athletic footwears for active lifestyle. They were very much rooted in American sneaker culture. But initially, the company was facing challenges in gaining market visibility and increasing sales volume. They were hardly getting orders around 8 to 10 per day through their retail stores. So they decided to hire a marketing specialist, and the scenario was getting changed from them. Things got dramatically changed when they got featured in a TV show after sponsoring a local high school basketball team. And this was a part of their strategic marketing moves. The order volume got increased by around 100 and 120 per day from 8 to 10. So the process, which was running fine through Excel reporting, was no longer providing any support to them. So again, they hired a NetSuite expert, and with their help, they were able to manage the order processing smoothly through the ERP system. In early 2021, they decided to put their footprint globally now and launched their Shopify web store. Gradually, the business was getting established as a brand. Now, the scenario was getting changed again from the end of 2021, and the flow of the orders got rapidly increased to more than 300 per day through several strategic marketing initiatives. They provided seasonal promotions, no question asked return policy, referral programs, promotional credit notes, and those were gone viral. They were going through mammoth tasks by managing and processing orders in both the platforms. The manual data entry processes was causing significant issues for them, resulting in problems such as incorrect inventory records, order item mismatches, shipping address discrepancies, and label mismatches. All these challenges were leading them towards customer dissatisfaction. After a few months of hassle, they anticipated the actual need of integration in between their Shopify store and NetSuite to ensure seamless data synchronization and streamline their operations. Here, AppPSeCONNECT comes in the picture. To address their integration needs, they implemented AppPSeCONNECT as their integration platform, and AppPSeCONNECT played a role of the game changer for them. AppPSeCONNECT's pre-built connectors for Shopify and NetSuite were utilized to establish the integration between these two platforms through securely configured connections to the respective platform APIs. The connector enabled real-time data synchronization in between these applications from then onward. So basically, any updates made to the product information, pricing, or inventory level in NetSuite were automatically reflected on the Shopify store. Similarly, when an order was placed on Shopify, the integration immediately transfers that order details to NetSuite for further processing. Even while the orders are getting processed in NetSuite, related data is getting synced back to Shopify store again. Let's talk about the results. So overall, integrating Shopify and NetSuite by using AppPSeCONNECT's pre-built integration package, they achieved their desired goal, that is streamlined operations. So their order fulfillment efficiency was boosted through accurate inventory management. Operational efficiency was improved through effective order processing. And most important, financial data processing was highly simplified, thus improving their order to cash cycle. So all these led them to achieve their end goal, that is enhanced customer experience. This automation journey enabled them to leverage the strength of both platforms while ensuring accurate and consistent data across the systems. This success actually made them a community-driven, locally relevant, and globally known brand today. Over to you, Akash.
Right. So a very interesting business case, Shojit, that how a company can employ certain necessary tools and proper integration between them can help them skyrocket their business. So to sum it up, our NetSuite and Shopify connector offers businesses with comprehensive pre-built workflows or process flows, as we call them, that provide out-of-the-box solutions to sync orders, inventory levels, fulfillment processes with operational efficiency. Also, since AppPSeConnect is a no-code integration platform, integrations are extremely easy to set up and deploy, reducing the time to market for any organization. As it is built for both IT and non-IT users alike, AppPSeConnect eliminates the need for extensive platform and technological knowledge and allow businesses and owners to focus on and leverage the power of this automation platform. With this example, it is also clear that pre-built connectors are highly customizable and scalable, allowing organizations to shape the integration in a way that suits their business requirements and scale as they grow. Since the platform is built on an iPaaS, an integration platform as a service, owners don't need to worry about app version updates or other technological obstacles. The platform promises to grow parallelly with the business, offering a scalable solution over the years. Organizations can add as many business applications as they want. AppSeConnect can integrate all of them. With its capability of multi-application integration, scalability will never be an issue with AppSeConnect. Lastly, to provide a sense of trust and credibility, it gives me immense pride to showcase how AppSeConnect is a highly rated iPaaS on Capterra and G2 and has around 200 reviews via these platforms. We have strived to provide the best-in-class integration solutions to the world, and our accolades and achievements speak for them. With that said, let's hand over the stage to Shubhajit again and dive in to see a real-life demo of NetSuite and Shopify integration through AppSeConnect's pre-built packages. Over to you, Shubhajit.
Thank you, Akash. Okay, so we will be covering the sales order and order fulfillment process in our demo today. Let's have a look at the demo. So this is the AppSeConnect integration platform, and this is how the pre-built process flows looks like in NetSuite and Shopify integration package. Here we can see the customers and sales order process flow from Shopify to NetSuite. Through this process flow, order data which will be placed in Shopify will be processed and synced to NetSuite. And here we can see order fulfillment or shipment process flow from NetSuite to Shopify. Through this process flow, while our order will be processed in NetSuite, related information like order status and shipment details will be synced in the Shopify order details. With that shown, let us see how the data is flowing seamlessly in between these two applications. So this is our NetSuite application. Now we will be placing an order from our Shopify web store. Let's go to the front end. We will be taking a product named Nike Revolution 7. Let's take quantity 2 and buy it. So here we will be placing this order for the customer Alex Green. Let's put the name Alex Green. Let's fill the address section. Apartment. City is Kolkata. State and PIN code. Let's continue the shipping and payment section. So before placing this order, let's have a look in NetSuite whether this order with the name Alex Green is already existing or not. Let's go to the sales order list. This is the latest order list in NetSuite. Here clearly we can see there is no name of Alex Green. The total order count is 475 and the latest order document number is 2599. Let's complete the order in Shopify. Here we'll be placing demo card details. Let's have a look. Revolution 7 total is 1654. Let's pay and complete the order. So the order gets successfully placed in Shopify store. Now it's time to have a look in NetSuite again. Let's refresh this order list. Okay, so Akash, we can see the latest order has been synced successfully with the name Alex Green.
Yes.
And the order document number is 2600 and the order count is 476. Let's go to the order details. So this is the order document number. This is the customer number. And here we can see the item and the quantity. Let's go to the customer details because it was a new customer. So here we can see the customer name is Alex Green, the email ID that we have used. Now go to the address section. Here we can see the address which has been used in the order details. It has been synced in the customer details properly. Let's have a look in Shopify order details. And the order ID is 1269 and here we can see the order is in unfulfilled state. It's time to approve the order. Let's approve it first, then we will fulfill this order now. The status will be shipped. And where we will be selecting some data related to the stores. Let's pick the quantity 2. Now we will be putting the shipping details. Here we are placing the order tracking number. The order gets successfully confirmed in NetSuite now. Let's have a look in Shopify. Here we can see clearly the order gets fulfilled. And the shipping details like the shipping method and the tracking number has been synced properly as well. So whenever an order will be placed in Shopify store, that will be synced along with the customer details in NetSuite. On the other hand, whenever the order will be processed in NetSuite, all the shipping related informations like status, tracking details will be synced back to the Shopify order details. There is no need of human interference. So thank you, and over to you, Akash.
Exactly. A very insightful demo after all, Shubhajit. It is evident that with such quick and easy deployment of integrations, organizations can truly achieve unbound success. One very interesting thing that I learned from this webinar is that pre-built integration is the key. It is these pre-built connectors that help businesses launch their integrations quickly and manage their businesses data more efficiently. With that said, what is your take on pre-built versus custom integrations?
Here, I always feel pre-built integrations are faster to deploy and launch as they are already configured and time tested. You don't have to worry about anything else, and there is absolutely no hassle as compared to custom integrations, as they are a bit heavy and time-taking things.
Also, it is important to not wait for growth, but to plan and execute ahead. See,
Absolutely.
once your business has achieved growth, it is already late to start your integration. It is important for organizations to plan their operations ahead and employ necessary solutions to excel in their endeavors. Lastly, it is crucial for organizations to keep up with the current market standards and work around them in a way that benefits their workflows. An up-to-date organization will surely be able to handle data more efficiently and churn better profits of them. With that said, let's address some of the questions we have received in this webinar. Okay, going to the question section. So the first question is, I understand Shopify works great. What are the other platforms that you see being used by other mid-sized businesses?
The best e-commerce platform for a mid-market business depends on specific requirements, budget, scalability needs, and technical expertise they are having. In this scenario, Adobe Commerce, BigCommerce, WooCommerce, Salesforce Commerce Cloud are highly recommended apart from Shopify. But again, it completely depends on the actual business needs at that point of time.
Right, right. Uh, I guess that answers the question. The second question that we have is, when the online business grows, what are the operational challenges? How do you keep your customers happy?
So operational challenges are mostly connected with customer satisfaction, right? So it depends on how your empathy connecting with your customers want. Sometimes a no question asked return policy can be implemented to provide customers with a hassle-free return experience. Even no return policy can be a good move sometimes. In such cases, businesses can provide unsatisfied customers with a credit note in their account for their next purchase. It will not only retain the customer, it will restore the brand affection as well.
Okay, the next question we have is, can you use Shopify to sell to businesses, or is it only for end consumers?
Absolutely. Shopify Plus is well equipped to handle B2B e-commerce needs. This is the enterprise level version of Shopify that offers advanced features and scalability, making it suitable for large businesses, which includes B2B space as well.
Okay, all right. So Shopify is for small businesses or B2C kind of businesses, but Shopify Plus can be one e-commerce platform that can be used by businesses as well in the B2B arena.
Yes.
Thanks a lot, Shubhaji. Thanks a lot for answering these questions. I'm sorry to say, but with this, we have reached the end of the webinar. There are a few more questions and we have taken a note of them and we'll answer them over the email. To all the attendees, all of you will be receiving the session recording and slides over the email shortly. I hope all of you could get a better understanding of pre-built integrations, how they work, and how they can help you skyrocket your organization's growth with unparalleled efficiency and productivity through a completely automated application ecosystem. For more information, you can explore APPSeCONNECT's pre-built packages and the applications supported on appseconnect.com/integrations. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to us at sales@appseconnect.com for a free demo or a consultation. Thank you so much, guys, for joining the webinar. It was a pleasure for me presenting it. We'll be back with more such sessions in the future. Until then, take care and keep hustling. Bye-bye.
Thank you. Thank you, everyone. See you soon.